Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello everyone, how are you? Can you hear me guys? Please let me know in the chat. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay. Currently, I'm looking on gold. This is on gold, but let's see. For today, I don't get any good setup, but let me see in this 1 to 2 hour, I can see some good setup. Then I'll go for it. This is on gold, but today is Friday, so I'm not expecting that much, and we don't have any news today, so I'm looking for some scalping setup because gold is dropping very beautifully these past few days. So I'm expecting of some kind of retracement. I'm looking for these levels for buys, but I don't want to go directly from here. If I see some sort of retracement first, then I will go for some buy setup. I'm not comfortable buying over here. This is too much premium for me, so I need some sort of retracement before that. Sorry. And DXY, this is daily time frame on DXY. I'm expecting this high to be taken out this week, but it doesn't happen till now. And yesterday as well, I didn't expect this drop to downside. I'm expecting some sort of a little bit retracement and going towards this high, but it was not going with my plan. That's totally fine. And how are you guys? Are you trading today? Are you taking any position right now, or are you looking for your setup? Please let me know in the chat. And thank you so much, everyone, for uh, watching this live. Unfortunately, Euro USD is also going upside, but for me, I'm expecting this low to be taken out yesterday, but it was going upside from yesterday. So I'm holding this trade in higher time frame, in 4 hour time frame. I'll show you my trade. I'm holding this short from this level from day before yesterday, and I'm targeting this low. But unfortunately, it goes to my it was not going to my plan. So I'm hitting my break even yesterday, and for now, uh, I'm expecting it will still go lower, but I'm not expecting to be it maybe in coming weeks or in some days. So this is a very important level that I will be looking for, uh, because if it respects stills, then let's say in daily time frame, this is order block over here and fair value gap over here. So still it respect this level, then I will be still bearish on Euro USD. I will be still looking for sell, but for now I don't have any of the confirmation that it will go lower from this level. That's why I'm still waiting for that. Oof, shit, gold is going higher, bro. I'm expecting some sort of retracement from here. It was not. Let's see. 15-minute time frame is looking really good. It will be closing in 3 minutes as well. So this is also very likely to be taken out if it continues to upside. And let's see. For Nasdaq, maybe it can goes one more upside and respect this level once more, and still it can goes down. But I'm not sure for now, because I just want to wait for this 4 hour time frame, 4 hour candle to be closed. So it will be closing in next 47 minutes from now. After that, I will decide my bias for today. Uh, I will be not holding that much. I'm looking for some scalping setup like 1 minute or 5 minute maximum. How are you, brother Sisi? You will always add to our knowledge. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, giving me some retracement. What about silver? I hope if silver takes out these lows once more, and for example, it takes out once more some sort of consolidation, and from this level, if I see break of structure to upside, then it will be a very good setup for me uh, for gold as well. So I'm expecting to taken out this Asian's low, but it was not taken out yet. That's why I'm missing this move. Otherwise, this will be a very good scalping for me. Yes, brother. I'm also still fine. I'm doing really great. And how was your trading this week? Let me check one thing. This is from Oenda data. I just want to check Forex.com as well. I want to utilize this for our inversion fair value gap. Eid Mubarak to everyone, guys. Eid Mubarak. And sorry if I pronounce it very wrongly, but if it takes out today's Asian slow, then it will be a perfect setup. But unfortunately, it doesn't take out these lows. But I'm hoping it will still goes up until London's high. So these are the two liquidities I'm looking for today. And we don't have any news as well. So let's see, guys. Let's see. I will took this trade on this one. I will keep my account ready for scalping. So yeah, I'm good. If it comes down and fill this 1 minute gap, then I will be interested to buy. Otherwise, I'm not comfortable. Because in higher time frame, example like 4 hour, 4 hour is still bearish. Daily time frame is still bearish. Weekly time frame is also still bearish. So uh, my bias for the day is uh, bullish. So this is some kind of a counter trend. So that's why I need a very clear and a very discounted price. Otherwise, I'm going opposite with higher time frame trend. So I need to be very careful about that, even though I'm scalping, because every higher time frame is in bearish right now. So the only reason I'm looking for buys is because today is Friday, and in past few days the gold is moving really uh, in a very huge move to downside. That's why I'm expecting some sort of retracement before closing this week. That's why I'm looking for buys today, but not I will not hold for too much. Um, just I will do scalping in 1 or 5 minutes maximum.
Yes. Hello, Heramani.
Hi, bro. How are you?
I'm good. I'm also looking for buys on gold.
Mhm.
Uh, like I took out the Asian liquidity, and I was doing London live session with my community, and I tried to take some buys. I had to one stop loss,
Mhm.
but then I was looking at if it can take out your Asian lows, then gold can push up. And if you look at the chart, this red
Mhm.
line, yeah, you see this wick above the red line, that is your Asian lows.
Mhm. Yes. Yes.
So it took out the Asian lows, and after that, it just impulsively started to push up. Right now, like it's bullish. So
Yeah.
it will be taking the highs at 47.30, 47.50 today. This is what I see. Even you see like this 15-minute candle, it's gonna fill the wick to the upside. You see, it's already
Mhm.
going. So
Mhm.
yeah, just open a buy position right now because it's eventually gonna go up.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm gonna open a buy. Yep. Maybe what if I share my screen and
Yes. Yes. You can.
all right. So yeah, so this is the 15-minute time frame, and in London session, I executed a buy from this extreme zone of this bullish trend. I had a stop loss right here.
Okay.
No, sorry, this one. Sorry. Yeah, so this was my stop loss today. And then I was looking at this Asian lows. You see this green box? This was your Asian low. Price section
Yep.
took out the Asian lows, and now it's going towards to take out your Asian and your London highs, right? Because gold, like any currency, like it's Nasdaq or gold, like it moves liquidity to liquidity. Took out the lows liquidity. Now potentially it can go up to take out your Asian and London highs. Now talking about the if you look at the 2 hour time frame, 2 hour candle, this candle is closing bullish like in 38 minutes. Now I just wanna see how this candle closes in 38 minutes. Even if we look at
Yeah.
the especially the 2 hour, 2 hour is important because at the same time the 4 hour candle also gonna close in 38 minutes. Now, in
Mhm.
38 minutes, if this 4 hour candle flips bullish and it prints bullets, where it's going to go, like it's going to make a big bullish top body, right? And then eventually,
Mhm.
if we break up, take out the liquidity to the upside, what do we have to the left hand side? We have a clean candle that can mirror, right? And above this
Mhm.
inefficiency, what do we have? We have a 4 hour supply zone, a 4 hour bearish order block. So this is what I'm anticipating. In 2 hour, this 2 hour candle in 37 minutes, if we can break the previous 2 hour highs and closes above this, then there's no doubt that the price section can go up and take this Asian highs at 47.34, 47.35. And at the same time, it's not like it goes straight bullish from here. It might accumulate, it might come down, it might tap into this 5 minute order block. Then you also have this extreme at your London lows. It can tap here and it can move up. So my bias is bullish overall, and I'll be positioning myself into bias as long if it even if it goes down, I see rejections, I'll be jumping into buys.
Yep. I'm also exactly looking for that.
Now we can also look at silver. Silver is something you can take correlation. Now silver is something different. Silver to our time frame, it's different. On the
Hmm.
silver over candle, like it seems like is that the current candle is just making a top wick, and it flips bearish and gold drops. This could possibly be a reason as well. So it depends on how you, as a trader, it depends on you. Like either you are an aggressive trader that would go without before waiting for this 2 hour closure without confirmation, or you are kind of like a trader who wants confirmation first on the high time frame and then you catch the move. So it's totally up to you guys watching this on YouTube. It's totally up to you how you want to decide, position yourself into the trade. Two opportunities: one which is a safe one, which is a more confident one, where you wait for the 2 hour candle to close bullish at least above the previous 2 hour highs, and then you place a buy, or you just wait for it to drop back into these zones and try to find a better entry.
Yep. That's why I'm waiting still now. Like silver is, I hope silver wants to goes down one more time and takes out these lows, London's lows.
Hmm. London lows on silver is this is silver. It's right here, and
Mm-hmm.
it's not just London lows. It's also a build up liquidity because you see this wick, which was
Mm-hmm.
the low for the London, and you see this wick, which was during the London. So it technically makes your liquidity stop losses, because all those people who are buying right now, where their stop losses would be, like as a retail perspective, if you are buying right here or here, where your stop loss will be, like it's not going to be right here. Obviously your stop loss will be below this liquidity, right?
Yep.
So it could be a possible scenario. Order flow algorithm first takes out the masses stop losses right here, and then tapping into any of the PDRA on the left hand side, it just skyrockets back up, right? Nasdaq, I executed a buy. Heramani, I executed a buy on Nasdaq.
Right,
We were
right now.
No, no, not now in London session, because
Okay,
I
okay.
was looking at this New York yesterday lows right here,
Mm-hmm.
and it could be a liquidity. So the moment it swept this liquidity, we were looking at the 1 minute time frame for a market structure shift, and it gave us a market structure shift right here, right? And although like I haven't called this out as a trade, but I was live with my community, so many members they went into the buys. Even I executed a buy right here. Some of those guys they executed a buy right here, but they took a good, 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 out of this trade.
Nice one.
Gold on the 5 minute. Look out for this zone.
Yep.
This is
I'm waiting for that.
by the 5 minute. You know what? Like I'm just gonna place a limit right here with a stop loss below
Yep.
this and something like this, a 1, 2, 3.
For goal, I'm waiting for this level. 4668 point
Yes,
186.
468. It's also this this fair value gap on the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
And now like it can go up from here as well. Like as I said, the order flow is bullish. Like my price is bullish. Like either you position yourself in now, or you wait to buy the lows, or you wait for the confirmation. Whatever. Technically, eventually, I'm targeting this today's Asian and London highs.
Same.
Nasdaq is also like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, taps into the order block, again higher low, taps into the order block, again printing a higher high. Man, like beautiful structure on Nasdaq. Taking some questions on YouTube. Is there echo in my voice?
I don't think so. Somebody is asking, bro, how to stop overtrading and revenge trading. For that, for me, to stop overtrading, first of all, you need a very like you have to be mm, plan out yourself, like what will be your maximum trade per day or maximum risks per day. So if you hit your maximum trade or maximum loss, then just close your laptop and just shut down your system. Stay out of the market anyhow. But first of all, you need to have your own trading plan.
Yes, like this is the like walk away. Just simply walk away. It's
Hmm.
that simple. Like get off your charts, use your legs. You have two beautiful legs, long legs, very strong legs. Use those
Hmm.
legs to walk away from the charts, right?
Like for us also, it's very difficult. Like if we hit our maximum loss and still we are analyzing the chart in front of the chart, it will be difficult for us to control that emotion. So the best thing
Agree.
will be uh, stay out of the chart, close your laptop, shut down your system, and do something else like reading books or workout or anything.
Hmm. And acceptance. Like there's nothing beautiful than acceptance. Like let me give you guys a reality check. I'm a
Mm-hmm.
profitable trader, but I took two losses in London session, right? Your experience, like the market doesn't define that. So walk away. Like I took two losses and I said, like, man, this session is not for me. I just walked away, like at a 1% loss. Now I'm into New York session to see if there's any other opportunity. Like the thing is, if you are trading the same price section and you are having a streak of losses, you are not playing the probability, because that certain price section is not for you, right? So if you will exhaust yourself in a session, in a price section which is not meant to be for you, which is not according to your psychology, which is not according to your trading plan, which is not according to your trading rules, man, you will be so exhausted that in the next session, even if there is a plus setup, you will not be able to mentally execute that, because trading is not just capital. Trading is not just capital, like it's also emotions. You have your emotional bank every single day with you. If you will deplete your emotional bank in one session, in one shitty price section, what the fuck you gonna do in the next session? You don't have emotions, you don't have confidence, you already depleted that in the session that was not meant for you.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
walk away. I guess Hiramani, like it's about to tap into my buy limit on the 5 minute. Man, it's just taking a reaction from here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna punch in a buy right here. Like it, I'm gonna punch in a buy right here. Come on.
Yeah. I'm taking a buy. Same here.
Yeah, I'm in buys now. Let's see. This whole 1 minute zone is buying zone. But even like structure wise, if I look at the structure wise, it seems like higher highs. You have higher lows. You have higher
Mm-hmm.
highs. You have higher low, and then you have a higher high.
Just a small risk, because actually I just want to risk like around 1% on my master account, but I'm risking only 0.3. The reason is that on silver, I'm not still bullish that much right now.
Hmm.
I feel like it just want to again takes out those London's lows once again.
Now, if yeah, that's why you are risking less, because the probability is low.
Mm-hmm.
I get it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Because if silver is showing us indications for a drop, then gold will follow.
Yep.
Not exactly, but it will to some extent.
Yes, yes.
But let's
It's
see.
like Nasdaq and S&P 500. So
Yes.
they are very similar.
How about US 30 and Nasdaq? Are this similar?
Uh, yes, in higher time frame, yes, but not
Lower?
not with like S&P 500 and Nasdaq are more similar than US 30.
Okay. Yeah, man. Like it's not like I'm in the buys, but it's not giving confirmation yet. It's
Yes. If
maybe
it
because
wants to,
no, it
okay,
is like
you know.
okay. You see this last 1 minute candle, how it just popped, trying to pop up.
Yep.
This is something I want to see. Like I really like when the price section follows the order flow to the T. Like for example, if this is a higher low, it should not be
Hmm.
draining us too much here. Like it just follows the
Yes.
trend and it just goes back up. The problem happens, which I don't like, is price section sometimes it starts to exhaust you, after your entry,
Mm-hmm.
or sometimes it
Mm-hmm.
just goes deep into drawdown and then it takes a reaction from the extreme zone and then it pumps up. This is something, man, I fucking hate. This is the thing I hate about trading, like the
Yep.
uncertainty. Yeah, you see this. This is the thing.
So it
It gives
feels
you
like
it
uh,
gives you hope, and then what the fuck is this, man? Look at this shirt. Look at this shirt. Like for 1 second, for 5 seconds, the candle prints bullish, and I started to think like it's fucking gonna go to my stop loss, and now it's going in my favor. This is trading, man. This is trading, and man, nice. Let's see what happens, because if this is our swing low on the 1 minute, if this is our swing low, then price action technically should print a swing high. Technically,
yep.
let's see, because it's just a bullish candle. There is no closure above. Man, like, what do you want to do?
It feels like now this is the right time, right price. If it wants to goes up, it doesn't need to take so much time over here. It can uh,
Mm,
pop up very fastly from this level.
man, for now, like it's popping down, like it's popping down. Yesterday NY live session, I had 1 to 5 hour. Like it was a very good session, but today, like, it's not my day, I guess.
Yep. Okay, silver is also dropping.
Hmm. Now you see the thing, like, which I was mentioning at the start of the session, is waiting for your high time frames to close. Like for example, when I talked about this 2 hour, I said, like,
Hmm.
it's up to you guys, like, observing this information. Either you wanna wait for the 2 hour to close bullish and then plan your entry after confirmation, or you want to plan now. Like it's up to you. And as of as far as I see right now, 2 hour candles still got 19 minutes to close, and it seems like it's just moving towards the bearish flip. And silver is also, like, you see, yeah, there you go. On the 2 hour time frame, silver is already try flipping bullish on the
Hmm.
2 hour.
And do you enjoy last 2 3 days dropping on gold?
No, I was not part of that. So
Bro, it feels like I'm missing out the whole year. Like I'm waiting for that drop and I miss out that drop. Fuck.
yeah, Saleh, like, he called it out, like, but he called out like, 4960. Like, I remember we were in a live session right here. We
Mm-hmm.
were trading this range on Tradin, and he
Mm-hmm.
said like he's waiting for a break below, and his target
Mm-hmm.
is 4940, 4960 right here. And he caught it, like he caught the whole move. He took a sell right here, 4865 right here.
Okay.
This
I'm
he
on
took.
sale, bro. Like on Wednesday, I'm on sale from London sessions on that exact highs. And I just closed my trade to I took a sell from there and I took my TP 4967. That's my TP. And I missed the whole move from that one. For our
Even I'm gonna place another buy right here. Same stop
mm-hmm,
loss. You know, is my risk was also 0.30, 0.20.
mm-hmm.
So I am in a position
Okay,
to.
I'm almost halfway my stop loss. My stop is 4653.
Hmm. No, no, don't be afraid, man. Like just I've added one more right here. You know, if it's the same stop loss, then this could be, the swing low, because it's totally normal. Like price action, sometimes it goes deep into the zone to
Mm-hmm,
take out the early buyers, and then
mm-hmm,
it starts to move in your favor, the way it's doing now. So I'm fine. Stop loss is there. One entry right here. One entry right here. Let's see how it plays out. And overall, like if we look at the 5 minute time frame, there's one 5 minute candle closing bullish, which could play in our
mm-hmm.
favor. Like if the current candle follows bullish,
Yep.
yeah. Because this is the last point. Like this 5 minute, you have a bullish closure. The next should print bullish. If I'm telling you this, Heramani, if this 5 minute closes bullish, then we are golden. Like it's gonna print the highs then.
Yep. Let's go, guys. Let's see. So if for me as well, if price once goes up, this is it doesn't need to go down from this level.
Exactly, exactly. There's
Hmm.
no point of it coming down. Like if
Yes.
it's coming down now, then it's going for your stop loss. That I can tell as
Yes.
well. If it's coming down
Hmm.
now, then it's seeking stop loss, nothing else. There you go, flipping bullish. Come on, just
Yep.
be a beautiful 5 minute candle and just prints beautifully bullish. Oh my, no way,
Nice one.
no way. Glad I entered right here as well. Again, like another position. Now just keep printing bullish and takes out the New York highs,
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice move. And for now, I want to see to close above this 5 minute fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. I want to see to close above that.
Hmm. What's happening? Like so. Yes, yeah. I wanna on the 1 minute. Heramani, are you in buys?
Yes, I'm still holding.
Okay, okay. So now I just want to see this clearing out this 1 minute wick.
Hmm.
Man, I just want
You
to see
see
the.
that? Are you in New York time,
Hmm.
the time zone?
I'm not using New York, but I can switch. Why not?
So I want to see that 1 minute, a very big bullish candle on left side, fair value gap. You can see that one, or even in 5 minute time frame, the 5 minute fair value gap on left side. I just want to see to uh, close
This,
above that fair value gap,
this,
above that, right above that.
this one.
Yep. That one.
Yeah, that would be flipped then. Like it would just flip
Mm-hmm.
then. It would just flip the structure to buy side then. If this
Mm-hmm.
uh closes above this, even this one, I would say even this fair value gap. If a candle
Mm-hmm.
closes above this, I consider that to be a flip. And it tried to close above. It pushed up, but then again back down. This is madness. It gives relief for a few minutes and then it goes against you. Like what was the best thing I do? I used to do it. Like I'm not doing nowadays, but I
Mm-hmm.
play games. Like I play Valorant. Like I'll just start a match, or I have PS4 beside me. So
Mm-hmm.
when I'm in a trade, to avoid the anxiety, I'll just
Yep.
start a game. I'll just start a gaming session like for 30 minutes. Like
So that's the perfect one. Like for me also, I'm not that playing that much, but in my another cell phone, I used to play some uh, games like online games like
hmm,
PUBG and all this and all. I used to play
hmm.
sometimes when I'm holding my trades.
You exactly, you know the thing, the psychology behind this is sometimes you are in a trade and let's say the market goes deep into the drawdown and you just get panic and you close the trade and then the trade
Mm-hmm.
plays in your favor. So like for instance right now it started to drop and now it's going up. Like even this previous 5 minute candle, like have you seen like how it started to print bearish? A lot of
Mm-hmm.
traders would get panic like seeing that bearish candle. Hey, it's gonna fucking break the lows and hit my stop loss, but no, price action is doing this thing and it's gonna go in steps. There's no such price action that's gonna go in your favor like this unless it's a volatility move or a news. Every trade, every price action, normal case scenarios over the long run, they're gonna move like in steps, higher highs, higher lows, just like this, and then you get your distribution the way you
Yeah.
see right now. Man, like this, the thing I like about this trade and I say being live on YouTube session is everything is documented. You cannot fucking fake anything. This is something I like about being on YouTube.
Yes.
Like right now 42 people are watching me and 42 people have seen like how I position myself right here into the buys, and I was calm. Like when it started to drop, I entered another buy from this, and it's not just I'm trading right here. These are my live positions. You see, this is my live account. Like one in the middle, and then the last at the bottom trade is in massive profits. And I'm just waiting for it to take the highs because I also have a buy from the top, which is running in a loss. But when I just added more buys, averaging down, and look, man, I don't know if you can see it's 15,000 PKR. Like it's like $60 live account, 50 $60 on this trade,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm targeting like
I hope
100.
this will close above.
Yeah, it's now it's flipping like the level you were seeing, like this fair value gap. Man, this was
Mm-hmm.
epic. It was good. It was good. Let's if we look at the on the 1 minute, it seems like this. So look at the 30 minute. It's closing in 6 minutes. Made extreme big bottom wick. Let me just show you guys. Look at this. 30-minute time frame on gold. It made extreme bottom wick, and now it's
Mm-hmm.
flipping bullish to take out, maybe possibly take out the this wick fill. But I don't see this happening like in 5 minutes unless there's so much sudden volume, because this wick fill is like how much pips? It's like 180 pips. So in 5 minutes, technically that cannot happen. But let's see. I'm just gonna look at this position because my position from the bottom, it's already 1 to 2. It hit 1 to 2.
Okay.
We have our stop loss, we have our final target, and we're gonna do nothing. Either we're gonna take a stop loss or we're gonna take a full TP. Are you with me, Heramani, on this?
Yes, yes. I'm
Let's
waiting
go.
for that.
Let's go.
It can hit our TP or stop loss. That's it
Yep.
for this trade.
Yeah. Now I'm just gonna say
And the good thing is that everything is documented from the beginning.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, just excuse me for 2-3 minutes.
Okay, fine. Okay, I hope it will goes up and takes out these highs.
Yeah, you see, I have a trading buddy right here. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, yeah, I can see that. Oh, nice.
He sits with me like when I'm trading. Hey, nice. Yeah, it's I'm just looking at this 5 minute to break this high. Let's see. So we have let's take some questions from you guys in the chat. Liked your system. Thank you so much, Zulker Nan. My flowers chat. Bro, please give a breakdown on that gold long. How about you just go back in this live stream and watch it for yourself, because I've already gave a breakdown of this trade.
Hmm.
Rent just got clapped by pips. Let's go. Bro, review US oil. Okay. US oil, like, I don't trade US oil because, and even right now, like, it's being manipulated by the US Iran situation. However, I can give you my view, like, but it will be totally according to the technicals, not
Hmm.
news really, because you never know. I might say like it's in a buy bullish trend, and there's a peace deal between Iran and they open the Strait of Hormuz, and it just drops, or there's a bomb like dropping on Iran and it goes up. You never know. But technically, if you say review, from a review perspective on the 4 by time frame, we have this support, right? And it's kind of like in an accumulation phase right here. So on the lower time frame, on the 1 over, I still see that as a support. So technically, I think as long as it's holding $92, it's going to go up back to $100, right? This is what I see technically, but it you cannot rely on this just on the technicals when it comes to oil, because there's a global war situation happening. Back to gold. Our gold is, let's zoom in on this trade. Our gold is, you got the groceries, call them. Have a cup of tea. And this is freedom, like doing your odd stuff and having tea.
Mm. Yeah, I'm also having like, bro. I take 7 to 8 times a day tea.
7 to 8 times tea in a day.
Yes, chai lover.
Now I have a technical reason. I drink tea because I smoke.
And for me, I quit smoking from 2022. So I'm right now. If I just want to feels like I just want to smoke, I will have a tea. So that's my therapy.
No, like, how do you take that as in trading? Like, stop, like when you stop smoking, that it did it had any impact on your positive impact on your trading?
Um, I wouldn't say directly, but indirectly, I have some impact on my trading because that is also because on my past 5 to 6 years back, when I was working with Navy, I was
Mm-hmm.
smoking like uh, 2 3 packets a day.
Hmm.
So and again, when I started full time trading and starting my community, then I quit my job at 2022. The day I quit my job, I quit smoking as well. So to maintain my discipline and all, like it's some kind of a psychology play, but it helps me a little bit in my trading journey that I must to do it.
And Heramani, like a personal question, like a lot of people, they love, like, they respect and honor job in armed forces, whether it's Navy, Air Force, or Army. Do you, like, asking you now, like being trading since then, you think like that decision to leave Navy was good? Trading is working out. Is it
100%,
is
bro.
it rewarding you more than what you were getting while you were in Navy?
100%. 100%, bro. 100%. I'm really grateful now that I just started 4 or 5 years back and I just quit my job. It's 100%, bro. But in my initial states, it's very hard. I need to sacrifice to work, uh, working hard each and every day, spending 10 to 12 hours a day just to lose money in the market. It was very hard, but Right now, it's very rewarding, and I'm really grateful, bro. It's 100%.
Nice to hear that. A lot of people, they just have fear, because I remember, like, there's a guy in my community. Oh, his name's Omer something. uh he quit job like 4 months ago. Like, he said, I want to give full time, and I said, like, just gather up like 2-3 months of reserve and quick job, and
Hmm.
give full time focus to trading. Not just to make money, but to understand the process, to understand you, to build a system. Because if you will not have a system, you're not going to survive in trading. Like, not every day is
Yes.
going to be a winning day. That's a fact. But if you have a system that plays out over the long run, one or two losing days, one or two three losing trades, like that, if doesn't bothers you much. So what he did, he built up the system. And man, like, you wouldn't believe that guy made more money than any of us in the community, including me. Now he's making very good
Hmm.
amount. He's self-sufficient. it,
Nice.
I believe, like, he wouldn't be here if he wouldn't have took the risk of leaving job and just focusing on his own personal growth. So it's
Hmm.
all in your fucking head, guys. Like, if you are stuck somewhere in job and you want to do trading full time, man, take the risk. What's the fuck? What's the worst gonna happen? Either way, like, we all gonna die, aren't we? We all gonna die
Yeah.
in the end. So take the risk, guys. Like, if you want to give full time to trading and you are stuck in job, you cannot give full time to the charts. Take a risk for 2-3 months. What if it plays out? It might just change your life. And what if
Yes,
it
bro.
doesn't?
Exactly.
What if it doesn't? Like, we all gonna fucking die either way. I'm gonna die. You gonna die. We all gonna die. So live life to
It-
fullest. Like, take the risk.
yes. And if it doesn't work out for you, then you can join another job as well.
Yeah, there's always opportunity popping up. And by the time when you join a second job, you will have experience. You can then also do part-time trading, because it's
Mm.
not going to be a waste. The 3 months or 2 months of a period that you will spend with yourself and just charts, it's going to develop some sort of skill that can be handful anytime later, that can come
Yeah.
handy.
Hmm.
uh Gold, right now, I guess it's just, it played in our favor. uh it played in our favor, like, good. I think from my entry at the bottom, it went like 160 pips. Now it's taking a pullback, so I think, like, it should not be going below this. If it goes below this, then we have a stop loss coming then. But if you guys
Yes.
secured some 1 to 2, entered here and secured at the top, and congratulations.
Yes. And bro, especially for me, I just want to talk something like, uh, as a trader, we face failures, hitting our stop loss, losing money each and every day, and try to overcome each and every trade, each and every day, each and every new day. So, as a trader, I feel like, for example, in some days, as a profitable trader, if we open a business, any kind of business, then it's highly chances that we can do very well on that business as well as a trader. So that is a
Yes,
very good things
yes,
for traders, because we face all of these failures and all each and every day for 5 6 years, and we
exactly,
finally overcome that.
exactly. Like, if you're, man, like, this gold is, oh, let's go, boys, let's go.
It hit. It left some pips to hit my stop loss. Let's see.
Ooh, man, my positions just went from blue to all fucking red. Holy
And see
smokes.
the reaction again.
Yeah. Yeah, like your point, what you were discussing, when you were
Mm-hmm.
trading and you have a system, and what you're gonna do, you're not gonna spend like 12, 13 hours on the charts. It's either one or two trades, because if
Yeah.
you have a solid system, trust me, if you have a solid system, you're not going to be getting more than two, three setups a day. Like two,
Yes. Yes.
maximum two setups a day, like A plus setups where price action just
Mm-hmm.
falls according to your plan and according to your system. So
Exactly.
the remaining time, like, then you have things to do. You can run some businesses, you can do some other stuff to support your trading. Man, it's just, I don't know what's this doing now. Technically in my mind, like, I have already accepted this stop loss because it goes in favor for 160 points right here, and
Yep.
then it starts to act funny.
But I still feels like yes, if it can hit our stop loss, but I still feels like it will take out your TP level, your dead highs once more.
Hmm, maybe because this 1 minute correction is, yeah, let's see. I cannot say anything right now because it's just a running candle right now. One thing that I can look up to is the 2 hour time frame. You see, like the 2 hour candle, previous candle, it closed bullish, and the current candle doesn't have a top wick. So maybe it's just making a bottom wick, and then it flips bullish, takes out the previous 2 hour highs. This is something that can support my trade right now. The only thing that can support my trade now, right now.
Hmm.
It might go deep as well. You never know. It takes out my stop loss and then starts to flip bullish. You never know this. So let's stick to the 5 minute. Like I was planning to secure full right into this demand zone,
Okay.
but it never went there. Never went there. It never went there. There you go. Ouch. Did it hit your stop loss?
Yeah, it hit my stop loss just now.
I guess we are done then for the day.
Yes, I'm also done because today is Friday, and already for this week it was already run too much. So
Hmm.
it can be a very manipulation day or maybe in a
Hmm.
range. So no need to force ourselves.
Like this, overall, as you guys see, my bias still stays bullish.
Hmm.
Like you see,
Yep.
like it might be taking liquidity below this because everyone, not just me, retailers mostly, they place the stop losses below the zone. So I'll just observe this, how it plays out. Like two, two, three more candles like after this wick. I just want to see if this is a liquidity sweep or no.
Yep. I
If this
just
current
want to wait
candle
for.
just goes below, then it's no, it's not. Then
Are you looking for 5 minutes to confirm that?
5 minute, yes. Need to see a closure, like the 5 minute is closing in 2 minutes. I gotta need to
Mm-hmm.
see the closure, and that closure should be above the zone with a big wick. And right now there's just a body. There's no wick. If there's no wick, then that means there's no liquid. That is not a liquidity sweep. Then eventually, it can extend down to this OB extreme one.
Mm-hmm.
So let's wait for the 5 minute to close. I think it should, like, I want to see something like this, like this wick with a very small bearish body, something like
Okay.
this. This is something I want to see. If we have this,
Mm-hmm.
the following candle then prints bullish, then we are back into the setup again.
Mm. And for the last time, what's your thoughts on Euro USD higher time frame? Just just want to know something from you.
Euro USD, you gotta have to wait for the today daily candle to close.
Mm-hmm.
Because if they look at the daily candle, like if it flips bullish and closes bullish, then you're gonna see Euro USD moving up. But if the current daily candle, if it closes bearish like this, then technically it's just tapping into this bearish order flow supply swing point, and then it will be falling back down again, right?
Yes, I'm expecting exactly that, like that. I'm also looking for that.
You like for it to drop.
Yep, yep. But I will wait for today's daily candle to be closed.
Closure, yeah. At least maybe if you're expecting a drop, you can expect a drop then to this 4 over demand zone, this, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe towards this inefficiency.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at gold back 5 minute. Yeah, now this is something I want to see, that the candle it closed with a wick rejection. Now the following candle is something that will be deciding your bias. If the following candle, this candle, like engulfs, closes bullish, then I see it going back up. But let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Man, it would have been epic, like if it just went up from here. Thoughts thoughts on Nasdaq. Nasdaq, there's no volume right now. Gotta have to see 15 minutes. It's because in 15 minutes we have NYSE open, and overall my thoughts like is bullish. In NYSE, I want to see this order flow just printing the way it is, makes a higher high, and I'm targeting this 5 minute demand bearish order block, Nasdaq. Silver took out the lows, took out the lows when as we anticipated. Silver took out the structured liquidity, London lows. Now from here, if silver after taking this London lows, if again starts to print bullish, gold can follow. It's a very interesting price action, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
You see, like it's kind of like printing the same way. One candle closed with a wick. The following candle, I wanna see it bullish at least, which is it's flipping bullish now. Now, I want to see it breaking above the previous 5-minute highs and closing above that. Then I can say, okay, this zone was valid, but it just took out the lows right here, just took out the liquidity, and now it can just follow all the way back up again. These type of things like gives you an opportunity, to position yourself in with the better risk to reward, like re-entry, kind of like when you get
Mm-hmm.
the confirmation. If you ask me, my trades are still open. My trades on gold are still open. Like I haven't booked the loss because overall my bias is bullish in NY. Because I also have this extreme supporting OB. And let's see, yeah, now this is what I was anticipating. After this wick, the candle closes bullish like this. And look, it exactly closed like that. Based on this, it can start to move back up again. And look at the 3-minute crazy bullish. Now let's look at the 2-hour time frame. What we discussed on this 2-hour, what did we discuss? That the 2-hour candle will be making a bottom wick. It will flip bullish. It can flip bullish and then break the previous high. And it's kind of like if you look at the lower time frame, it's already doing that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Now my one position is going in profits now, so I held on. Now still I just wanna wait to see how it plays out. It's been a very exhausting day, to be honest, and I guess it's Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. Like, it should be on my wall, like never trade Fridays if the volume is low. Were any of you guys been in a trading floor? Yes, I've been. And like it's surprising, like we have 42 concurrent viewers. They've been watching this stream, like they're not leaving the stream. It's good.
Really appreciate to all of you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
At least you guys are learning something from us.
It's true. They're learning one thing for sure, like how to not take profits when you're trading profits and how to take a stop loss and then re-enter. And that's something they learned today. Just kidding, guys. In 8 minutes we have NYSE open, so that's gonna bring in some volume.
Mm-hmm. Yep, it will be in 7 minutes. 9:30.
And Nasdaq, as I said on the 1 minute, I'm targeting this 5 minute OB. Two possibilities at NYSE open on Nasdaq. One, with volume, you just taps into this bearish OB. Two is that the price action first takes out the uh, New York lows, liquidity grab, and then you go back up. These are the two scenarios that can play out on Nasdaq. But I see the first scenario happening more likely because it's just following the bullish structure and it's just going smoothly back up.
Okay.
Yes, this following candle on 5 minute is closing bearish again. Nasdaq is just, oh my god, there you go, going up, beautiful. And Nasdaq is heading towards 5 minute bearish order block. Well, the good thing about Nasdaq, like it doesn't drains you, like for example, if we were if we would have been looking at this, we were discussing this. If this is a higher low and it taps into this, you get a dodgy bullish closure, a reversal candle. Then if you place a trade, just it just goes like this is something which is only in Nasdaq, not in gold. It delivers you a full target without manipulation, whereas gold, like, it just acts funny sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
3 minutes, we have NYSE open. I also got to have
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this live today. And see you guys on our next live. And have a very great weekend this coming weekend. And Happy to all my Muslim friends. Happy Eid Mubarak to all of you. And see you guys. Have a really great weekend, and see you guys in next week. Bye bye. And we can call it a day. And hope you guys learning something today from us. Thank you for joining this live. Stay updated. Turn on the notification, and you will learn more. Bye bye, guys.